To make a colonial knot, bring the needle to the surface. Pass the needle under the working thread, then wrap the thread around the needle. Push the needle to the fabric and pull working thread to form the knot. Gently pull the needle through. Repeat the steps to make one more knot. The needle passes under the thread, then thread is wrapped around, and then you push through. Keep your working thread in tension until the last moment. This way you will avoid tangling of the thread. After some practice, you will get into the rhythm of wrapping the thread, and you will see that making a colonial knot is rather easy. Colonial knots are a great alternative to French knots. You can use them for filling or for floral designs.